Good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2020 Chemistry Past Question 25. 200 centimeter cube of hydrogen were collected over water at 30 degrees Celsius and 760 millimeter mercury. Calculate the volume of the gas at STP if the vapor pressure of water at temperature of the experiment is 14 millimeter mercury. Option A says 168.25 centimeter cube, B 176.40 centimeter cube, C 185.46 centimeter cube, and D 172.14 centimeter cube. Now from this we can see V1 is given as 200 centimeter cube, then T1 is equals to 30 degrees Celsius, which is equals to 303 Kelvin. Then P1 is equals to 760 millimeter mercury minus the vapor pressure of water at that exact temperature, which is 14 millimeter mercury, and that will give us 726 millimeter mercury. Then V2 is what we are looking for, the unknown. P2, that is the pressure at STP, which is 760 millimeter mercury, and T2 is equals to 273 Kelvin. Now, using the general gas equation, V1 P1 over T1 is equals to V2 P2 all over T2. We have that V2 is equals to V1 P1 T2 all over P2 times T1. So V2 will be equals to V1, which is 200, multiplied by P1, which is 726, multiplied by T2, which is 273 all over P2, which is 760, multiplied by T1, which is 303. Now when you do this, you have that the V2 will be equals to 172.14 centimeter cube, and this is the answer to the question, which is option D. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.